Bevel in.
Oh, very superficial.
So bevel in means bevel
Literally.
in.
Yeah.
Bevel. Pop.
Oh, okay. So it's very
Superficial. It's intradermal. What you were doing is subcutaneous injection.
okay.
So this is not.
Okay.
And then you need to wipe. Okay.
Thank you.
So really stretch the skin. See how I did hyper stretch? Yep. So go up to the lip. So she wants the whole area rejuvenated. So, yep, too deep, but inject a bit.
Gosh, it's so
Because it drips as well.
Yeah.
superficial, isn't
Yep.
it?
Just wipe it
You
off.
literally just touch. Okay.
Tip of the needle going
Bang.
through the skin, and I think you're not used to stretching skin, are you?
Not like this.
So if you hyper stretch the skin, you need less effort. It will just gently.
You're almost just touching
Yeah.
the skin.
Yeah, literally.
Stop. Yeah.
God. Yeah. It's
So-
literally
Isn't that like
touching.
Profilo?
Exactly.
No.
So
No,
if
profiler is a bit different.
Yeah.
You have to go very hard
yeah,
with
inject.
that one.
We've
This one
got
is just touch it.
so if you do even your Botox, if you stretch the skin, the
But
reason
it's the same
is
as polynucleotide.
yes. The reason is if you do that, it hurts your patient less as well. So this is for patient comfort. There, you're getting it now. Perfect.
Across.
Yep. And then down your fingers in the way.
Just thinking of pasting it.
I
Yeah.
know, that's what I keep looking at it. I'm always
Yeah.
like,
I don't
I want to
want-
rub it in.
You use your, have you got your gauze? Yeah. So what I would say, this finger, get it out of the way.
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
You either stretch like that so you can see everything, not that.
Okay.
I don't need to
way?
lean
Yeah.
on something, otherwise.
You get used to.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
so
it
you
has-
should use your little finger to lean on something.
Yes.
You need something to lean on.
Or you lean into your body.
Ah,
You
okay.
should get
Yeah.
used to
Otherwise,
it,
you won't be able
yeah.
to get that delicate.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can. I do
If you
that.
hear your shoulder, your
Yeah.
elbow in your hip, maybe
Yeah.
Okay.
that might work.
So people think about all the ways you can't do it instead of ways that you can do it. So use your body.
Okay, I see.
Yeah. You
Oh,
see, you're
okay.
trying to talk yourself out of it, and do a little bit under there. Yeah, you can do it. Use your body, and then there'll be areas on the face where you can use your
So you literally
finger.
just touch
Yeah, so
it almost.
you
Just
literally
touch it,
have-
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think I can manage.
Can you
this.
feel anything?
No.
at all? No.
No,
Oh,
that's beautiful. Yeah. So really stretch your skin
Yeah.
and just
More?
really
Are
tight.
you okay there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was
So
gonna say.
be mean to your patient in stretching. So a little bit too, and inject. Yeah. So a bit flatter because we're going into the dermis. So going in like that, you're going to end up, if you lean like that, you're going to end
So
up
flatter.
deeper. Flatter. Yeah, we're a bit high. That's perfect. So we're a bit high.
A
So
little bit
just
lower down.
come down and
Okay.
do that. Pop. Perfect. You get it. Too deep. Did you see that?
God. Yeah. Such a tiny
Yeah, just-
movement.
Yeah, it's just bevel in. Well done. Perfect. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Well done. So it really is just, that's all right. What I would do, take a deep breath
Yeah.
and take your time. You're trying to do it like a machine. Just perfect.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah. So
Okay.
your patients can feel it.
Oh, okay.
So, and you see how you're injecting over your hand?
Is that not good?
No. I'll get you to do a different one.
Yeah.
That you'll be more comfortable.
Okay. I guess I'm trying to get
That.
some.
So that, if you put it on there, goes in
Spill
the
out.
bin.
Yeah.
Now I'm pulling hard.
Yeah.
You're just resting. Pull hard.
Pull hard.
Stretching the tissue. Just,
No, not in the right position. So
right. So, yeah.
That's better. Right.
Inject. Okay. And stop. Stop. So when you're injecting, go like this, you've got less control.
Yeah.
Let go of the
Yeah.
face and reposition. So inject with your fingertips. We've got more sensory nerves on our fingertips.
Ah, like this.
To control
I would
it.
more like, instead of, see, you're like that. So when you're injecting, like that. See
Like
how
that.
you've got lots of
Yes,
control?
I see. Okay.
So, yeah. So when you inject, yeah.
That feels a bit better.
Yeah. So you're too deep.
Oh, okay.
So what you're doing is you're going in and then injecting. You've got to stop. In, stop. Perfect. In, stop. There you go.
Okay.
See the resistance? That's
Yeah.
what you want to feel. That's intradermal injection. Perfect. And now come back.
Intentional.
I know, but it's because you're lifting.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't lift, you just in, just bevel in, feel resistance. You have to move your hand if you
Yeah.
you don't want to inject your hand. So too deep.
Too deep. Yeah. I knew.
So-
Almost knew that as soon as I did
Yeah.
it.
So yeah. So what I'm trying to get you to do. Beautiful job. Good job. And you see how more taut the skin is,
Yeah.
the easier your work is.
You'll just
and
have to stand next to me all the time.
yeah. Exactly, that's my job.
Forever.
To assist you
Yeah.
forever.
Yeah, it is easier if it's tighter.
Yeah,
I can
and
feel
keep
it
going.
more. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I'm not leaning too much on you, am
No,
I?
not at all.
Okay.
so the
no.
more, so you may think it's mean, but the more you stretch, your patients feel less.
Yeah,
Because
absolutely.
the pressure,
Ah, okay.
it's the pressure receptors stop the pain receptors.
Yes.
So I look mean. Everyone goes, "Oh my God, she's pulling around, yanking around
I
that
see.
skin." But the patients, look, she's just lying there like a. So, the way to get good at this type of thing, and it shouldn't matter what needle you're using, it's just bevel in, and it's that control.
Mm-hmm.
It's actually better
Ah.
to learn with a longer needle,
This is fun.
so it doesn't matter what needle you're faced with.
Oh, that feels better.
And
now.
do one, yeah, you're doing a great
that
job.
feels better.
Yeah, you can see it's a great job.
So could
yeah, just,
continue.
Yeah, just do a parallel. Yeah, beautiful. See, oh, beautiful. Now you've got it, and the pressure, and that's why I like to use the lure lock for this.
Yeah.
Beautiful.